So again, good morning, everyone. So today we are going to see about the Unit 2, Modern Science and Indian Knowledge System. How the modern science and the Indian knowledge system has integrated. Okay. So these are the main syllabus overviews. The correlation between modern science and IKS, ancient Indian paradigm of natural sciences, physics and cosmology in Vedic culture, chemistry and metallurgy in ancient India, life sciences, Ayurveda and plant sciences, the traditional ecology and environmental management. So the paradigm of Indian science, the holistic framework, experiential and observational and ecocentric view. So this is how the ancient Indian scientific approach differs from the Western approach. Science was never viewed in isolation; it was integrated with philosophy, ethics, and nature. So what are the things we practice? We integrate them with the sciences. Based on rigorous internal observation and systematic logical deduction, we do the things and it treats nature as living entity to coexist with rather than a resource to conquer. So cosmology in Veda and Puranas, the concept of Kalpa. So one day of Brahma equals to 4.32 billion years, which is strictly close to the modern scientific estimated age of Earth, that is the 4.54 billion years. And the cyclic universe, a view of creation, srishti and dissolution, pralaya occurring in endless cycles. So these are about the cosmology. The physics concepts, the Vaishikta Darshana by Rishi Kannada, formulated centuries before Western atomic theory, this philosophical framework explores the nature of physical universe, Anu atom, indivisible, indestructible particle of matter, and Paramanu, the ultimate subtle state of matter, and combinations, atoms combine to form molecules, Davanuka and Trivanuka, changing physical properties. So classifications of substances: earth, water, fire, air, ether, time, space, mind, and soul. So these are the nine classifications of physics. So sounds and vibration theory. So Spasta and Divyani distinguish between articulate language and pure acoustic wave energies. Mantra sciences, systematic understanding of how specific sound frequencies influence physical systems and psychological states, matches modern scientific concepts of resonance and acoustic wave theory. So Rasayana Shastram in chemistry. Chemistry is in India evolved from requirements of medicine, industrial arts and metallurgy. Nagarjuna, celebrated as the pioneer of ancient Indian chemistry, Rashtramakta, distillation and sublimation, detailed descriptions of laboratory process and apparatus in yantras, calcinations, converting toxic heavy metals into highly absorbable therapeutic medicines, Basmas, ancient Indian metallurgy. So, iron pillar of Delhi, constructed in the 14th century, the 7-meter high iron pillar stands completely rustless despite 1600 years of monsoon weathering, showcases superior forge welding techniques. Wood steel produced in South India, this high carbon steel was globally exported, famous for its ultra high durability and characteristic wavy patterns. It was the foundations of Damascus plates, zinc extraction. India was the first country to master high temperature zinc distillation at Rajasthan centuries before it was patented in Europe. The engineering mastery, a rustless iron. So this was we have seen. So modern materials analysis shows a high presence of phosphorus and lack of sulfur and manganese. This led to the formation of protective passive layer called misweight over the metal surface, which permanently halts atmospheric corrosion. So life sciences, we have seen about the Ayurveda, Trishodha theory and Shustra Samhita, Shustra surgical legacy. So sharp instruments, scalpels, we currently tell. In ancient, they call Shastra. Blunt instruments, Yantra. Forceps, speculums, tongues for retraction. Foreign body extraction, Sandamsha Yatra, tweezers and extrusion forceps. Props and dilators, Ishani. Exploring tracks, fistulas and wounds. So Charaka Samhita and internal medicine. So Charaka focused fundamentally on Agni, digestive fire and Ama, toxins formed due to poor digestion as the primary root cause of diseases. So Dinacharya, daily routine tailored to biological clocks. Ritucharya, seasonally dietary modifications to maintain internal equilibrium.